Hi, Will White here with Custom Building Products, and this is our Get It in 2 video series. Introducing the newest member of the Polyblend family, Polyblend HP High Performance Fine Aggregate Grout. Polyblend HP meets ANSI A118.7, which is the American National Standard specifications for high performance cement grout. High performance cement grout requirements ensure the material produces hard, stain resistant, dense joints that resist shrinking, cracking, and wear. The fine aggregate sand fits into small and tight grout joints and can eliminate the need for non-sanded grout for most installations. Now, not only small joints, but extra wide joints as well. Polyblend HP is formulated to handle joints up to 3/4 of an inch wide in natural stone and provides reliable coverage across designer pebble mosaic installations. With lower absorption than a non-sanded grout, Polyblend HP Fine Aggregate Grout will perform better for stain resistance and abrasion. Polyblend HP can be used for wall, floor, and ceiling applications for interior, exterior, and even submerged installations. Thanks to its fine aggregates and the Polyblend HP formulation, the grout spreads easily and consolidates well, which reduces fallout during vertical and overhead applications. This means less waste on the floor and minimal cleanup after installation. It's engineered to withstand the demands of daily use, routine maintenance, and even the toughest exterior weather conditions for the life of your tile or stone installation. So visit custombuildingproducts.com or give us a call for additional details.